Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly futuristic, Meshy AI, a groundbreaking tool that lets you create stunning 3D characters from just text and images. Whether you're a game developer, a 3D artist, or just someone who loves exploring AI, this is going to blow your mind. Let's get started. Meshy AI is an AI-powered platform designed to simplify 3D character creation. Instead of spending hours modeling and texturing, you can now generate fully rigged, game-ready 3D characters in minutes. All you need is a text prompt or an image, and Meshy AI does the rest. It's like having a professional 3D artist at your fingertip. Let me show you a demo of it. You can create 3D model from text, or you can convert a 2D image to 3D character. Now, let's try the image to 3D feature. I've got this awesome 2D concept art of a fantasy character. I'll upload it, and Meshy AI will convert it into a 3D model. Now it will take some time to convert image to 3D model. And let me show you some of the characters which are created by using Meshy AI. Let me search cartoon character which are generated using it. Let us try some other. Our character generation process will take some time depend upon speed of your computer and internet speed. Look at this, the AI has not only created a 3D model but also added details like textures. This is a game changer for artists who want to bring their 2D designs to life in 3D. It created 4 different models of character. You can preview and choose one. Each one looks same but a little different. I choose first one, it looks nice to me, and each time you choose anything it deduct points. Right now it takes my 10 points for generation texturing service. Meshy AI isn't just a cool tool, it's incredibly practical. Game developers can use it to quickly prototype characters. Animators can bring their stories to life faster. And VR creators can populate their worlds with unique 3D models. The possibilities are endless. You can also rig a model online. So I try to rig this model which we created. Click on rig and select type of character. Right now we have human-like character, so I go with it. I am not expert in rigging and animation, so I will do fast. You can check detail yourself and use it properly. Just pick points which you see in right side and drag those on your model, and it will rig automatically. I have done it fast, so it may go wrong. Next, after I rig my character, it deducts points. Now our character is rigged, and here are options to animate this character. You can choose any animation. There are no of animations like walk, run, fight, etc. You can see live preview of animation. Like I said, I done rigging fast, so animation may be bad in my case. When you click on animation, it will take some time to apply. If you join using the link below, you will get 1 month free pro service. As you can see, it's written on site. So sign up using my link which I provide in description and get 1 month free pro service. Price of Meshy AI seems high for some people, but it is great service. You don't need to learn modeling, texturing, animation software. Now after you have done everything, you can click on download button to download model. And here you can select your animation too. But this service require pro account. Right now I don't have pro account. I am using free. There are many download options like OBJ Blend FBX. To download as free user, I can only download model. I can not download rigged model and animation. Here I can choose anything like FBX, OBJ Blend, etc. to download. And now I download my model. Overall, Meshy AI is a game changer. It's not just a tool, it's a glimpse into the future of 3D design. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is definitely worth checking out. If you're as excited as I am, I've left a link to Meshy AI in the description below. Go ahead, give it a try, and let me know what you create in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay creative and keep exploring the future. See you later.